Good morning, dear student. Today I will tell you exercise 6C of class 6 maths. And first question is write the following amount in rupees using decimal. Here we change it to the decimal. Amount is given here 8 paise, 19 paise, 17 paise, 75 paise, 10 paise. So many questions are given here. So dear children, first I will tell you question number first 8 paise. Here do you know 1 rupee equal 100 paise. 1 rupee equal how many paise? 100 paise. So when we change into the rupees, then suppose 1 rupee or one thing more, dear children, when we change into the suppose greater to smaller and smaller to greater. Now, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, then meter. Okay? This is the greater unit. This is a smaller than this unit. This is smaller than this unit, and this unit. When we change or when we go to greater to smaller. When we go to greater to smaller, then we do the multiply. When we go greater to smaller means if we change 2 kilometer into meter, so 2 multiplied by 1000, we do the multiply equal 2000 meter. Okay? But when we change smaller to greater means we go to smaller to greater, then we do the divide. Suppose 5000 meter equal how many kilometer? So 5000 divided by 1000 equal 5 kilometer. Then we do the divide. Okay? So dear children, greater, if we change greater to smaller, then we do the multiply, and if we change smaller to greater, then we do the divide. Okay? Now, look at here, rupees and paise. Look at here, rupees and paise. Rupees is greater and paisa is smaller. But here this is paisa. So we change paise to rupee. We change to here paise to rupee. Then what will we do here? We do the divide. So 8 paise equal 1 rupee equal 100 paise. Then 8 paise equal 8 upon 100. 8 upon 100 equal how many 0? 2 0 here. So decimal, after 2 digit decimal, but here 1 digit. So put here 1 0. Then we write here rupees 0.08. हम यहाँ पे जब पैसे से जब डेसिमल में लिखेंगे तो फिर ये रुपीस हो जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा? रुपीस हो जाएगा. रुपी यहाँ पर हमने रुपीस की स्पेलिंग RS, यहाँ 1 रुपी के लिए RE लिखा जाता है. सो 8 पैसे इक्वल 8 अपॉन 100 इक्वल 0.08 rupees. Okay? Now question number 2. 19 paise. 19 paise. So 19 paise equal 19 upon 100. Why we divided by 100? Why we divide here by 100? Because we change into the decimal. When we change into the decimal, then we divide here by 100 because 1 rupee equal 100 paise. And when we divide 90 by 100, then this number change into the decimal equal 0.19. Okay. Now third question. Third question is 75 paise. How many paise? 75 paise. So 75 paise equal 75 upon 100 equal rupees 0.75. How? Here 20 here, after 2 digit put the decimal 1 2, so we put the decimal here 0.7. Now the question number 4, 10 paise. So 10 paise equal 10 upon 100 equal 0.0 after 2 digit decimal, so 1 2 here, so after this time. Okay. Now the question number 50. Question number 57 rupee 43 paise. 43 paise. Now here 7 rupees is already in rupees, so we do not change this rupee. We change into only paisa. So 1 rupee equal 100 paise. So 7 rupee plus rupees plus 43 upon 100. This is already in rupees. Okay. Now 7 plus 0.45 equal rupees 7.45. Okay, 7.45 rupees 7.45. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is question number 6 is 28 rupees 6 paise. 28 rupees 6 paise. So 28 1 rupee equal 100 paise. Then 28 rupees plus 6 upon 100 rupees equal 28 plus 6 means 0.06 equal 28.06 rupees. Okay, here this is already in rupees and we change into the only 6 paise. So 6 upon 100 we divide here 6 by 100 equal your answer is 0.06. Then we add here 28 plus 0.06 equal 28.06 rupees. Okay. Now the last question is question number last question 509. Question number 7. 509 rupees 95 paise. 95 paise. Okay. Now 509 rupees plus 95 paise equal 509 rupees plus 95 paise equal 95 upon 100 equal 509 plus 0.95 equal 509.95 rupees. Dear children, while we add here 509 rupees 95 paise, why do not add here 509 rupees plus 95 paise? Why? Here, why we do not add here? हमने यहाँ पे तो ऐड किया, बट यहाँ पे हम ऐड क्यों नहीं कर रहे? कैन यू टेल मी? डियर चिल्ड्रन, हम ऐड तभी करते हैं जब दोनों बोथ नंबर की यूनिट्स क्या हो, सेम। यूनिट्स क्या हो, सेम हो। यहाँ पे इसकी यूनिट रुपीस है, इसकी यूनिट क्या है, पैसा है, तो हम रुपीस को पैसे में ऐड नहीं कर सकते, ये रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। हम जब इसकी और इसकी दोनों की यूनिट सेम हो जाएगी तो हम उसको ऐड करेंगे। हमने क्या किया, इसको पहले रुपीस प्लस ये जब हमने 95 अपॉन लिखा, ये हमारा रुपीस हो गया, अपॉन 100 लिख दिया। अब देखिए यहाँ पे हमने इसको जब डिवाइड किया तो ये रुपीस में चेंज हो गया, और जब ये रुपीस में चेंज हो गया और ये भी रुपीस है, ये भी रुपीस है, तो फिर हमने दोनों को यहाँ पे ऐड कर दिया। ओके, so dear children, this question is completed. Now question number 2. Now question number 2, dear children, express as centimeter using decimal. Just like the question number 1. In the question number 1, amount is given and here meter and centimeter is given here. So dear children, first I will tell you these are units. We write here kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. And second is kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Then third unit is kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Okay, and the difference between these units, kilometer to hectometer equal 10, hectometer to decameter 10, decameter to meter 10, meter to decimeter 10, decimeter to centimeter 10, and centimeter to millimeter equal 10. Means the difference between these units is equal here 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. If we find the unit, if how many 1 meter equal how many centimeter, so 1 meter equal how many centimeter, so we do how many tens, 2 tens, so 10 multiplied by 10 equal 100. So we write here 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. Okay, now here we change into question is express as centimeter using decimal. Means आपको यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करना है डेसिमीटर. So dear children, millimeter, where is millimeter? This is millimeter. We change into the centimeter. So how 1 centimeter equal how many millimeter? 10. So we write here 1 and 10 millimeter equal 1 centimeter. So we go to here smaller to greater. हम यहाँ पे smaller से greater में change कर रहे हैं. तो what will we do here? We do divide or multiply. Smaller to greater, so we do the divide here. Just I told you this. So 6 millimeter equal 6 upon 10 equal 0.6 centimeter. Okay, this is decimal. So 42 millimeter, 10 millimeter equal 1 centimeter. Then 42 millimeter equal 42 divided by 10 equal 4.2 centimeter. 4.2. How will we find 4.2? You can divide also 42. This time 10 4 ja 42. Put here the decimal, increase 1 0, or 10 2 ja 20. Okay, your answer is 42.4.2. And you can also look at here, solve this type. 42 upon 10. How many 0? 1 0. So put the decimal after 1 0. So write the count right hand side after 1 2. Then we put the decimal here. Now the question number 3. Now the question number 3 is question number 3 is 42 meter. So 42 millimeter. So we 10 millimeter equal 1 centimeter. Then 42 millimeter equal 42 divided by 10 equal 4. Sorry, this question is already completed. Third question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 9 millimeter. So 9 upon 10 equal 0.9 centimeter. Now the question number 4. 375 millimeter. So 375 millimeter equal 375 divided by 100 divided by 10, because 10 millimeter equal 1 centimeter. So how many 0? 1 0. So 37.5 centimeter. We put the decimal after 1 digit. Okay. Now the question number 3. Express as meter using decimal. Just like question number 2, here we change into the milliliter to centimeter, and here question is given here in centimeter, then we change into the into मीटर. यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर में दिए हैं क्वेश्चन और हम इनको मीटर में चेंज करेंगे. So dear children, same method. 7 centimeter. So centimeter to meter. How many centimeter in 1 meter? So 2 10 10. So 10 multiplied by 10 equal 100. So 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So 1, or you can write here 100 centimeter equal 1 meter. Then 7 centimeter equal 7 upon 100 equal 0.07 meter. Okay. Now 18 centimeter. Then 18 centimeter equal 18 upon 100 equal 0.18 meter. We do not write here because here we write here 100 centimeter equal 1 meter. Okay. 95 centimeter. So 95 upon 100 equal how many 0? 2 0. 1 2. So 195. How many 2 zeros? So put the decimal after 2 digits. 1 to count the right hand side. So 1 2 we put here the decimal equal. This is a meter. Now 1028 centimeter. So 1328 upon 100 equal, because 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So 2 0 here. So we 13.28 meter. Okay, dear children, this question is completed. Now question number 2, first, second, and third is completed. Now the next video I will tell you next question. So dear, thank you so much. Have a nice day.